Hello guys, so this is my new video on K-pop Academy because I find a lot new food items, new favorite food of my idols, and I get a new idol too. Now I have 17 idols in total. So let's go and check out the various favorite food items of our idols. First, check the to-do list. We clean a room, so there is a clean. Okay. Let's first take a round of all the office areas. Then we will look at the favorite list of the favorite foods. Okay. And I'm gonna show you my new idol. What is the name of the idol? In those two, no one is here. So we have to just clear these two. Our idols are tired, hungry, and many more things they have to do. I will discuss with you many things today. Let's clean first. Hey, why is he outside? Can he be outside? Now he's inside. Okay. So, this is the new idol I got. Look at him, purple eyes, purple hair idol. What is the name of this idol? Let's check out the booklet. Ali. Confidence. Who needs it with his looks? Okay, so I collected one idol card. If I train him for 2 times, he will rank to level 2. And his favorite food is this cream. I don't know what is this. It's like you can see it. You can see because we can't specifically know the name of the food, so I show you all these. Okay, you meet Ali, my new idol. So, and I explored his one favorite food, Ali's favorite food. So right now he doesn't have. Now we will check out this list booklet first. Look, I have 17 idols with me. I have only one left. I don't know. I think it's Kai because someone mentioned it in the comment section about Kai's favorite food. Actually, I didn't get this idol, so how can I know about his favorite food? But if I get it, I will make a separate video about it. So let's check out because I have explored a lot new food items they like. Start with Daijun. Daijun's favorite food. We got these two. I have one left. I have to explore one more. He's on level 5. Going to level 6. He has to train. Let's check out where the other. Other is Jin. They have idol cards but they didn't train too much. He's on level 4. Never afraid to break a sweet on stage. Okay, it's encouraging type of. He has all 3 foods. He likes this sushi, orange juice and burger. Some foods are easy to understand what is this. Many are not. So see it properly. I give a full screen video of it. I will not cut it so you guys can see it properly. For channel, I didn't find any food. It's a little bit upsetting that I didn't get any. But he's on level 4, level 5 to explore. Jai Singh. Jai Singh, I think someone wants to know about Jai Singh food. I explored this and all the 3 items he likes is there. you can find. And I explored 2 channel bond with him. Only one left. So let's go to Mingsu. Mingsu, he likes chips or crackers, you can say. But I have to find 2 more. He also have idle card, but he has to train 2 more times for leveling up. He looks cute. Look at his cards. It's 3 different cards and he looks so cute. He's really cute. Mingsu is cute. Yuan. Yuan likes these sushi or cucumber. I don't know what it is. Food is actually, but he's stylish. And I love that. And there is 2 more I have to explore. Someone also mentioned many of them. You can mention them and you can ask in the comment section. Let's check out Mark. Mark. I don't like him too much. I don't like his hairstyle look. But he likes sandwich. Only one I know. Those 2 I don't know. Let's check out Leo. Leo's hairstyle I like it. He's really different in all the 70s. He's really different. And he really looks beautiful. Someone like this long hair guys. Smart. But I didn't find any food of him. And I also find only one idle card of his idle card look. But I have to find 2 more. Dante, I have to explore a lot in K-pop Academy. So keep going with me. I think everyone has to explore a lot. Let's go Dante. I explored 2 foods here. His 2 favorite foods are this bread come something, bread sandwich or something, and this juice or cola. I think cola. It's cola. I have to explore one more. Now Ali, my new one. I have mentioned it before. So this one is like this cream type of something sweet. But he looks cute in his short look. But in his bigger look, he looks a little bit of awkward type. I don't know. I like him like this cute. His small baby face is cute. Jesse, he always gives this love sign in Korean that I really love. Next explode is all food. That's good. I know his every favorite food. You can see it. Mingdae. And Mingdae likes. I explored Mingdae too. He likes these 3 foods. One is ice cream, and other 2 I don't know. Patties type something. Jongsu. I didn't explore him at all, but I tried. I don't know what he likes. Hakun. I also have to explore this person. This studious boy. This looks steady. Seongho. I explored Seongho and he likes these 3 foods. Many of them like similar food and that's a good thing about it. Seongyeon, I didn't explore it but someone mentioned. I have to check out again. Esong or Sang, I don't know what. Their name are quite difficult to explore, but I have watched many of the Korean shows. I explored his only one favorite food, this train. Now I have to explore this car, and my all idols are free, but I have to go a long way. So don't worry. We are playing together. I like this. We are exploring together. Look, they are group chatting about something. Their cute version of their small version are very cute actually. Like BTS. BTS small version is very cute. But their bigger version is also cute. Why are you sitting alone? Now they are talking. They look cute. We have to train a lot of them. Why is taking for so long? And my cute managers, the small version is really more cuter than them. No, they are all cute. first house I got when I started this K-pop academy. This one building is the first one building. I thought it was so small for 18 people, but then I got to know that I have to explore a lot of things. And we got it. Look, for people who still don't get it, click on this free one and you see you will get a new K-pop idol. Or maybe their idol card. Here I am. I have a lot of card of them, so I don't want extra. But you can take extra by watching the ad. And you can see you have 6. This one is also for signing up. Jin idol card, I don't want it. See, there's a lot of things, but I don't have enough money. This box is for home area. You can buy it. I don't have enough money now. Nothing is left.